Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Lokman bin Zari. So I want to present about problem-based task for subject. This subject, the FM 50303 Open Source Server Administration. So our team is Muhammad Lokman bin Zari 17 DDT 22 F 2003. Content is for Lokman, task 1, topology and IP addressable. Second, task 2, DNS server configuration on Debian 11.4. Okay. In the beginning, task 1, topology and IP address. So, topology is Lokman has server and PC. So, DNS and LAMP have device same. So, Lokman have server IP address is 192.168.131.148. So DNS server local 127.0.0.1. For client is PC. Okay. IP address 192.168.1.20 for DNS server. Following for server IP address means to get IP address for DNS 192.168.131.148. Okay. Task 2, DNS server configuration on Debian 7.4. Step 1, update system and install by 9. We begin by updating the system and installing required DNS package by 9. So we do for command is systemctl status binary for checking binary is running or not. Okay. Second, step 2, configure DNS zone for JBIOS. Okay, next we edit binary configuration to add a forward and reverse zone for JBIOS. Okay, like this command Then create modify the zone file that that uh, for step 2 still same. Oh, create and modify the reverse zone file. So zone file like this. Step 3, restart binary DNS service. Once the configuration is complete, we restart the binary service. Like this command, systemctl restart binary. Step 4, test DNS configuration. To ensure the DNS server is working correctly, we use the dig tool to query www.jerry.biz. So we took dig www.j.biz at localhost. So to get DNS server. Okay. JB, so client have get, but server is unknown because because for configuration to reverse and forward. Like, thank you.
Morning, Mathematica. Today we are going to present about problem-based task. Our team, that is myself, Priyaroshni Sivakumar, and my matric number is 17 DDT 22F2019. Next, I will present about task 3, that is LAMP server. So first we have to install Apache 2. So for the installation command is apt install Apache 2. Okay. Next is we have to check the LAMP server status by using command systemctl status Apache 2. So it's shown that it will successfully running. Next is we have to install MariaDB package in LAMP server. For that installation command is apt install MariaDB dash server. So it will automatically install in that LAMP server package. This is we have to install MariaDB package in LAMP server. For that the command is apt install php-cli php-mysql lib apache 2 -mode -php php-gd php-xml php-curl. After that php-com -y. After that open in client web browser and type the IP address that is 192.168.131.148/info.phpd. If you can see the result, that the web page will appear there. PHP version 7.4.28. Lastly, for task 3 LAMP server, we have to test the web page that we have created using web browser on client. So it will show the result j.biz, our name Priya and Lukman. That's all for task 3. We will explain about task 4, that is CMS. So first we have to install PHP and require extension which is earlier stated in task 3, that is apt install php lib apache 2 -mode php 7.4 php mysql php cli php curl php gd and php -mb string and phpd -xml. Lastly, php -xml. This is the command that we use to install PHP and requirement extension. Okay, next, we have to create a database and user for WordPress inside the MariaDB shell. So for that we used MariaDB -u space root space -p. For that that is the command for create a database and a user for WordPress inside the MariaDB shell. We have to download WordPress using a command. So you can see that is the command which we have to use for download the WordPress. We have to extract the WordPress file, which is use command /var/www/html space tar space xvzf space latest dot tar dot gz. Next, we have to next step is move all the files and directory inside the WordPress. So for that we use /var /ww /html hashtag space mv slash don't have slash, sorry, and after mv WordPress slash star. This is the command for we have to move all the files and directory. So next is remove the file latest start.gz for the current directory. For that we used /var /ww /html hashtag space rm space latest dot tar dot gz. Next is we have to set the correct permission. So for that first command is chown dash cr dash r dash space ww dash data ww dash data space /var /ww /html /star. Following with that same like, and we have to change the chown to cmode 755 space /var /ww /html /star. And then we have to create a Apache virtual host configuration, which we used server admin j.biz document root which is /var /www /html, server name j.biz, server alias www j.biz. So after that it will show error log apache underscore log underscore dir. So after that custom log apache underscore log underscore dir /access dot log combined. So after that directory /var /ww dot /html. so allow override all. So we have to reload the Apache service. So for that we have to put the command systemctl reload apache2.service, and for the restart systemctl restart apache2.service. Next we have to test the CMS, it will working or not. So it will show that it will appear in the web browser. We have to create a username and password. So for the database name we put WordPress. Follow with the user we put wp underscore user, and for the password we create a strong password. And also for the database host it will localhost, and table prefix wp underscore. So this where we have to create a username and password. Next is the last one for the task 4, which we will see the result of success WordPress will appear in the web browser. So that's the dashboard that will that's appear in our web browser. So welcome to WordPress. That's all for task 4 and for problem based tasks. Thank you.